For all Airtel users, come close. I know you like this. Do you know that you can get 1.25 gigabytes of data for just 200 naira, 2 gigabytes of data for just 150, 3.2 gigabytes of data for just 500 naira, and 40 gigabytes of data for just 7,500 naira. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 codes that can use to get data at a very cheaper from Airtel, and this will help you to save cost in the purchase of data. So if you are using Airtel and you'll be looking for on how to get data at a very cheaper rate, then this video is for you. If this is the type of video that you like to watch, do well to like this video and also drop your comment on the comment section. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. On this channel, I teach you different methods how you can work from home and make passive income online. If that interests you, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get notification. So let's dive right into the video. The code to get 1.25 gigabytes of data for 200 naira, 2 gigabytes of data for 150, and 3.2 gigabytes of data for 500 naira is *312*1# *312*1#. So let's dial it and see what it's going to show us. So you can see the different codes that are available in this section. The first option, with 100 naira you can get 500 MB, which means with 200 naira you can get 1 gigabyte of data. This data will last for 1 day. Then the second option is with 200 naira you can get 1.25 gigabyte of data. This data will last you for 2 days. The third option, with 300 naira you can get 2 gigabytes of data. This data will also last you for 2 days. The fourth option, with 500 naira you can get 3.2 gigabytes of data. This data will last you for 3 days. So which means 1 gigabyte of data is less than 200 naira if you are going for this option. The number 5th option, with 600 naira you can get 4 gigabytes of data. This data will last you for 3 days. If you are going for this option, 1 gigabyte of data is just 150. Then the last option, with 800 naira you can get 5 gigabytes of data. This data will last you for 3 days. You can use any of these options to get cheap data that can use. The code to get 40 gigabytes of data for just 7,500 naira is *312*2*8#. That's *312*2*8#. So let's dial it and see what it's going to show us. So with this code, you have 2 options that is available for you that can use to get data. The first option, with 4,000 naira can get 15 gigabytes of data. The second option, with 7,500 naira can get 40 gigabytes of data. So the second option is the one we are talking about. So you dial to access that, to bring you to this interface. So this is a daily plan. So with 7,500 you are going to get 40 gigabytes of data, and every day you are going to be getting 1.3 gigabytes of data every day for the next 40 days. So this is how to get access to the 40 gigabytes of data for just 7,000 naira. If you do a little calculation of this to know how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost you, 7,500 divided by 40. So 1 gigabyte of data will cost you just 187 naira 5 kobo if you are going for this option. So this is a very good option that can use to get data at a very cheaper for Airtel. The number 3 code that can use to get data at a very cheaper from Airtel is *312*2*1*5#. *312*2*1*5#. So let's dial this and see what we can get with this code. So this code is mostly for midnight browsing. So if you do a lot of work in the night, you can use this code to get it at a very cheaper rate that you can use for your night browsing. With 15 naira you can get 250 MB to be valid for 12 midnight to 5 AM. So you can use it from 12 midnight to 5 AM to do your browsing. So which means with 100 naira you can get 250, you can get 500 MB, and with 200 naira you can get 1 gigabyte of data. So this is a very good option that can use to get data at a very cheaper rate that can use for your midnight browsing. The number 4 code that can use to get data at a very cheaper rate from Airtel is *312*5#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. with 1.5 you can get 3.5 gigabyte plus 3.5 gigabyte bonus, valid for 7 days, plus 2 gigabyte for YouTube nights, plus 200 MB for YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. So with 1500 I can get 9.2 gigabyte of data. This data will last you for 7 days. So this is another good option to get data at a very cheaper rate from Airtel. The number 5 code to get data at a very cheaper rate from Airtel is *312*2*6# *312*2*6#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. So this code is mostly for heavy data user, or if you use data to run your daily activities or to run your business, you can use this option to do your subscription. And we have 3 options that is available here. We have the 90 days plan, we have the 120 days plan, which is 4 months, and we have 365 days, which is the yearly plan. So if you also want to do a data plan that will last you for a longer period of time, you can also use this option to do your data subscription. So the first option is with 50,000 naira get 300 gigabytes of data. This data will last you for 1 day. So if you also do a little calculation of this, 50,000 divided by 300, so 1 gigabyte of data will cost you just 166 naira if you are going for this option, and this data will last you for 90 days, which is 3 months. If you are going for the second option, which is with 60,000 naira, you can get 350 gigabytes of data. This data will last you for 120 days, that is 4 months. Let's also do a little calculation of this on how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost if you are going for this option. 60,000 divided by 350, so 1 gigabyte of data will cost you just 171 naira if you are also going for this option. This data will last you for 120 days, that is 4 months. So this is another good plan to get free data. So let's check the last option. So the last option is the yearly plan. With 100,000 naira, get 650 gigabytes of data. This data will last for 365 days. So let's also calculate this on how much 1 gigabyte of data will cost if you are going for this option. 100,000 divided by 655. So 1 gigabyte of data will cost you 153 naira. So this is another good option to get it at a very cheaper rate that you can use for your Glow line, and this data will last you for a whole 1 year. So if you don't want to be subscribing always, you can use this package to get your data that will last you for 1 year. So these are the 5 codes that can use to get it at a very cheaper rate from Airtel. This will help you to save costs in the purchase of data. If you got value from this video, do well to like this video and also drop a comment at the comment section. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will be the first person to get the notification. If you want to learn how to get this at the very cheaper rate from other networks, you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video.